Today I'm taking a look at another Seiko Save the Ocean special edition. This time I'm unboxing the SRPD23K. This model of Prospex is known as the Samurai, which some say is because of the shape of the hour and minute hands. I really dig the design of the Samurai Prospex because it seems to wear its size really well. At quite a large 43.8mm, it doesn't feel that big, although the stainless steel build weighs in at 200 grams, so it's certainly not flying under any radars. I really enjoy this light blue colorway we see across the entire watch, and with the touch of grey on the bezel, it breaks up that blue and provides a great contrast. On the face, we have intricate details of a wavy ocean, which is a theme across the Save the Ocean watches, and we can even see a shark fin popping through one of the waves above the 8 o'clock marker. This piece houses the 4R35 movement, which allows for 41 hours of power reserve. There's a date function on the dial at the 3 o'clock position, which is always handy. And of course, this piece is water resistant up to 200 meters. Seiko are known for making great quality watches at affordable price points. You seriously cannot go wrong with a Seiko, and this is guaranteed with their 5-year warranty. If you like the look of this watch, you can browse our full range of Seiko watches online at watchdepot.com.au.